Hey guys, last video of the year. I wanted to quickly show you how to log on to the meetings that we're going to be having this evening at 6 o'clock, and then the other one is Thursday at 1 p.m. Keep in mind that you only need to come to one of them. It's not mandatory, but we'd love to see you, get to talk to you for a little bit, and just have a chance to say goodbye since we didn't get our normal end of the school year that we would have liked to have had. So when you're going to have to go into Teams. The meeting will be through the Teams app, or you can log on through your browser. Either way, it'll work the same way. So when you log in, it should look something like this. Obviously, you're not going to have all these extra ones. I think you just have fifth grade, so you're going to click on fifth grade. And then you'll see over here to the left, you see how it has these different tabs over here. There should be one that says calendar. So if you click on your calendar, it's going to come up and you're going to see that you probably only have two things scheduled on your calendar. This was something for me personally. So if you go down here, you'll see our fifth grade end of the year celebration. It was created by me. You're going to be able to click on that, and then you'll be able to click join once we actually get started with the meeting, once I create it. That's really all you need to do. I do believe there's another way you can get to it if you don't want to go through calendar. If you go back to the Teams section and click on core, you can go to the area where I scheduled them. Just make sure you select the right one. The one for today would be down here. And if you click on that, you'll get to the same way and you can click join. Okay. So I think that should be it. That's pretty much how you can get to it in two different ways. I think the calendar personally is the easiest myself. I just go to it, go to the day, and click on the meeting that I'm joining. We look forward to seeing hopefully as many of you as we can. Keep in mind, if you can't make the one this evening at 6, there's also one Thursday at 1 o'clock. All right. Hope to see you guys. Bye.